In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest on TradingView Mobile. By the end, you'll know how to use the bar replay tool on your phone to rewind the market and practice your strategy exactly as if it were unfolding live. Start by opening the TradingView app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in and on a stable connection so charts load smoothly. If you're following along, pick the symbol you want to test and choose a time frame that matches how you trade, like 5-minute for intraday or daily for swing ideas. A quick note, the replay feature may require a paid plan, so if you don't see the icon later, that could be why. From the bottom toolbar, go to Chart. This is where everything happens. Pinch to zoom in or out and swipe to move through price history. Setting the right time frame now makes your replay more realistic for your approach. Next, tap the replay icon at the bottom of the screen. It usually looks like a play button or a circular arrow and is sometimes labeled bar replay. When it's active, you'll see a vertical marker you can position to select your starting point. Choose how far back you want to test by scrolling the chart to the left, then place the replay marker where you want the simulation to begin. A good practice is to stop before a big move you haven't studied yet. That way you're making decisions without hindsight. Confirm the starting bar so the chart hides all the future candles beyond that point. Now double tap the chart to bring up the playback controls. You can adjust the speed to match your comfort level, slower to think through entries and faster to scan through quiet periods. Tap play to start revealing one candle at a time. Pause whenever you want to take notes, add drawings, or mark hypothetical trades, and use the step forward control for bar-by-bar precision. If it's moving too quickly, slow it down. If it's dragging, speed it up. When you're finished, exit replay to return to the full chart and review what you learned.